I'd like to invite our student Asmita. Asmita comes from a biology background as well. But I'd like to ask Asmita her experience. See, many people think that Ayurveda, it's in Sanskrit. I've never studied Sanskrit in my life. It's such an old science, it's just a bunch of shlokas that you have to memorize. So I'd like Asmita to share with us her experience of what she thought Ayurveda would be like, what she observed it to be. Please go ahead, Asmita.
Hi, good afternoon, good evening, Megha. So my experience
Hello.
regarding this particular course, Ayurveda Biology, as I come from a biotechnology background, so we are always trained in a particular pattern that we have to think about in a reductionist approach, like dealing with molecules, cells, and also when I came to this particular, I have a very closed mind that only modern biology is the thing, and like that only we can achieve anything. But after studying Ayurveda, and Ayurveda's perspective is totally different. Totally epistemology of the Ayurveda is totally different rather than the modern biology. So it provides me a holistic view that we can view things in a very different manner. And when we came to know about both Ayurveda and biology, so we can find some connection through which we can sort a lot of problems which are arising in day-to-day life. So after learning Ayurveda and all these holistic perspectives, I had an open mind to welcome any kind of perspective in any field and just connected that to our field so that we can think of a particular problem in a different manners and can go into very reductionist approach and into a very holistic approach so that we can give the best solution or the efficient solution for a particular thing arising. So this was my experience regarding this particular course in the Ayurveda. Yeah.
Thank you. And I think I echo a lot of your thoughts because I also started doing this only about 3 years ago, and I had no immersion at all in Ayurveda before I came to TDU. So I understand where you're coming from. All right, so those were some of our standout first batch of students. We're very proud of all of them. And I must say that our students teach us as much or more than we are able to teach them. So thank you all for joining us this evening.